Hey, what's going on? I'm Mike from 1A Auto. Going to show you on this 2001 GS300 how to check the power steering fluid. Pretty much the same for 98 to 05. And on the 3-liter engine right here. And you do want to check this when it's warm, but not with the engine running. Turn counterclockwise, pull it up and out, and you're going to wipe it off. Down in and out. And you can see it says hot right here, so when it was hot you would want it up to this level. Right now our engine's cold, so it's a little bit further down. And if you hear a whirring or whining noise when you're turning the wheel back and forth, that's usually a sign that your power steering fluid is low. And you also want to make sure that there's no leaks or anything like that, no drips underneath the car. That's how you check it. Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.